Just one note about decimal places. When you write in your reports, there's a standard way that we like to write our numbers and our decimal places that I didn't do in the previous videos, which I think it's useful to show you now. So about decimal places. So I made some measurements in the previous video, which were 12 seconds plus minus 100th of a second, 2 seconds plus minus 100th of a second. And we like to, for the sake of consistency, keep the decimal places the same. So what I would do in my IA report would be to write this as 12.00 seconds plus minus 0.1 seconds. Notice the first number there has 2 decimal places, so does the uncertainty, and I would do exactly the same for the second value. Okay. So what you're actually doing in your report, when you write a number like this, you might say, well, that 00 is useless, it's not providing any information, but it's connected to the uncertainty of your instrument, isn't it? You're telling your reader that you could measure 200th of a second if in this case. Okay, so keep that in mind when you write up your reports. And one more thing, when you draw your tables in your IA report, be sure to put your uncertainty. So if you said time in seconds and you add your uncertainty at the top. So let's say all of my time values have 100th of a second uncertainty, and then we would write something like this. I'm just making these numbers up. 1.02, 1.36, and so on. And remember, the unit is here and the unit is also there, but it should go in the top.